There are exciting rumors about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24. It's said to have faster speeds than a MacBook Pro, better camera technology than the iPhone, and an unprecedented battery life for a smartphone. People are getting excited about it, but we need to see if these rumors will actually come true. Let's take a closer look at the 10 major improvements we might see in the S24 Ultra. First change, new and improved brain. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to have a brand new and fancy brain inside, which is called a chipset. It could be either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Samsung's own Exynos 2400. These are like the brains that make the phone work. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 might make the phone faster and better at handling graphics. The Exynos 2400 could be Samsung's own brain that competes well with others. We're hoping the S24 Ultra becomes much better at doing things quickly and efficiently. Other popular phones like the iPhone and Pixel have set a high standard for how fast a phone should be. Samsung needs to make sure the S24 Ultra is just as good or even better in 2024. It should be faster, handle many tasks at once, use smart features, and have great graphics. Basically, it needs to be excellent in every way. Change 2. Super cool camera improvements. Now let's talk about the cameras. The S23 Ultra already has really good cameras, but Samsung might make them even better with the S24 Ultra. There are rumors about some cool upgrades like a bigger main camera for capturing more light, better zoom abilities, and a fancier 50-megapixel zoom lens that can make things look 3 times closer. This means the S24 Ultra could take even better photos and videos, especially in places with not much light. The improved zoom will also let you get close to things without the picture getting blurry. Samsung might also use new tech to make the S24 Ultra process and take photos and videos faster. Change 3. Super Smart AI. Now let's get excited about something really cool. The S24 Ultra might have super smart AI thanks to Samsung's new GOS AI platform. This could bring some amazing things you can do with your phone, like translating languages in real time using AI to help write emails and documents, making summaries, and having advanced tools for editing photos and videos. You might also get personalized suggestions and assistance from your phone. The special thing here is that all this smartness happens quickly and safely right on your phone, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, making Samsung's AI even more powerful. It's like having a super smart helper in your pocket. Change 4. Cool new look. The S24 Ultra might not completely change how it looks, but there could be some improvements to make it feel brand new. Imagine slightly more squared edges and corners, and the front and back panels being a bit flatter. These changes would make the phone feel comfortable in your hand and look stylish from any side. And guess what? There's also talk about the phone being tougher and lighter if it switches from aluminum to titanium alloy sides. So it's not just good looking, it might be more durable too. Change 5. Smoother screen experience. The S24 Ultra will probably keep its large 6.8-inch display. But here's the exciting part. Samsung might make it even smoother by increasing the maximum refresh rate from 120 Hz to 144 Hz. What does that mean? Well, it makes everything on the screen look super smooth and fluid. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, the S24 Ultra could be ultra-responsive, making gaming, watching videos, and scrolling feel incredibly sharp. This could make visually intense apps and games look even more impressive, running it up to 144 frames per second. And hey, there might be other improvements too, like the display getting even brighter, taking the S24 Ultra from having a great screen to having one of the best. Change 6. Super quick charging. The S24 Ultra is bringing a big improvement that users will love, way faster charging. In the past, Galaxy S Ultra phones had a limit of 45 watt for wired charging, but this time, Samsung might boost it to a speedy 65 watt. What does that mean? Well, with 65 watt charging, you could get your S24 Ultra's battery from 0 to half full in just 20 minutes. If the battery is completely empty, it might reach 100% in 35 to 40 minutes using the right 65 watt adapter. This faster charging will work great with the improvements in the battery capacity too. Change 7. Better phone software. The S24 Ultra will come with One UI 6 based on Android 14. Samsung is likely to make some cool improvements to make the most of the S24 Ultra's advanced hardware. Expect better animations, visuals, and themes. There might be a smart app recommendation feature powered by AI, a handy privacy manager dashboard, and more things you can do with Samsung DeX. The special version of One UI 6 for the S24 Ultra could make multitasking even cooler, with easier ways to split your screen and have floating windows. The privacy manager could give you more control over how apps use things like sensors and location. Change 8. Better gaming fun. Every year, mobile games get cooler, and serious gamers need a phone that can give them the best graphics and performance. In 2024, that might just be the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's quickly go over some cool upgrades made for gaming on the S24 Ultra. A super cool Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, up to 16 gigabytes RAM, so you can do lots of things at once, a 144Hz screen refresh rate for really smooth visuals, a top-notch Adreno GPU for great graphics, and a better cooling system so your phone stays super fast. Imagine all that power with a big amazing screen, loud Dolby Atmos speakers, and the S24 Ultra could be ultimate gaming phone. If Samsung gets everything just right, this phone could be a top choice for serious mobile gamers who want the best experience. Change 9. Better S Pen tricks. The S Pen is a really cool feature of these phones. With the S24 Ultra, Samsung might make it even better for creative folks, professionals, and people who use their phone a lot. They might add more cool tricks to the S Pen, like better air gestures so you can do more things by just moving the pen in the air. It could control and do more stuff in different apps and parts of the phone. And they might make it work even better with Samsung Notes. Imagine combining all these S Pen improvements with some upgrades to Samsung DeX. That's when the S24 Ultra could become a super useful tool for getting things done on your phone. The S Pen is already special, and with the S24, we hope Samsung unlocks even more cool things you can do with it. Change 10. Super long-lasting battery. Finally, let's talk about the battery in the S24 Ultra. Even though the S23 Ultra already has a great battery, Samsung might make it even better next year. There are rumors about a new, bigger battery design that can hold more power, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip that uses battery more efficiently, and some special tweaks just for the S24 Ultra. Imagine getting more than 12 hours of screen time with the S24 Ultra, meaning you can use it all day and even more without needing to charge. And when you do need to charge, the super fast 65-watt wired charging will get you back to full power in just 35 to 40 minutes. The battery in the S24 Ultra could be the best, keeping your phone going strong no matter what you're doing, whether it's gaming, using smart features, or creating content. Well, those are 10 possible significant changes for Samsung's next top-of-the-line phone. If the rumors and leaks are true, the S24 Ultra could bring major improvements in performance, smart features, productivity, and battery life. It seems like it's going to be a powerhouse with revolutionary camera, AI, and S Pen capabilities that might set it apart from other smartphones. We're eagerly anticipating the official unveiling of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and we can't wait to try it out. Those are our thoughts on what Samsung might have in store for their flagship in 2024. What upgrades or features are you most excited about for the S24 Ultra? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for the latest updates on the Samsung S24 as we approach the launch. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.